and on this third and last video, what we have is a 4100 board, power again from 120 to the transformer. Now we have the 4 pair of outputs that we've already checked in video number 1 going to the 4 SCRs, and I'm going to show you a connection diagram of what we've done here. But we have 2 dual SCR modules. Again, just to make sure that we simplify everything, we're not using any feedback, we're not bringing any command, we're simply using a 0 to 5 for SIG high. The board is already enabled and we are able to clear that phase loss LEDs. The regulator is out and we're using that jumper between position 3 and 4 or J6. We are using here 240 volts. Actually, you measure here, we have 250 volts on our AC input, and here we have an output and we have a 0 output. The board is inhibited, and for our load we're using those 3 lamps. We have a lamp load there. So let's go ahead and again, notice it's inhibited. So and we are recording here again our TP6 and our TP4. So let's go ahead and bring it in. Okay, now the board is inhibited. Here, notice hardly any input, and here we see oh, we're not monitoring the output, it's just that delay angle. We already have 26 volts DC. Let's go ahead and slowly increase that 20, and let's take a look at how that delay angle is now changing. And we notice here how the DC output is changing, and we can take a look at those lamps, how they are glowing. Alright, so go ahead and bring it to about 420, please. We're looking again on the 4.5 is good. So we have a lamp. Slowly bring it down so that we see that dim. Then we see here that again the output, the AC input stays 250, 249. We notice here that now the DC output is slowly decreasing, and it's gonna here the delay angle is maximum to the point where it inhibits. So let's just one more time turn it. Let's go back to 0.5 volt. There it is. You just clear that, and then let's just start increasing again until we start reducing the duty cycle of that signal at TP4. Yep, this is the end of this video. Again, we're showing you the most simple way of powering and connecting this 4100 board to a full-wave rectifier using 4 SCRs. We have our resistive load, and we are not using any feedback. We are once we check the 4 outputs, we're just bringing in a SIG high, and it's a linear response from the value of SIG high to the output.